Hi, everyone. Welcome to Be Different for Success. Today, we'll be talking about how to improve public speaking skills. Your legs wobble as you approach the podium. Your hands tremble as you adjust the microphone. Your head throbs. A whale builds deep inside you and threatens to escape. It's showtime, and the feelings are primal. Evolutionary biologists tell us that in the presence of a presumed threat, we go into fight or flight mode, kicking off a millennia-old chain reaction. This reaction starts in the brain's fear centers and ends with our muscles pumped with blood and oxygen, preparing us for battle or escape. If you experience this, don't worry. You're in good company. All of us have been faced with the symptoms of extreme stage fright. Presenting in front of a group can cause panic. Whether we're delivering a speech before hundreds, attending a job interview, or introducing a report in a meeting, our careers may depend on how well we present. So how can we get better? Before we talk about the best strategies for improving your public speaking skills, I invite you to check out our video regarding the importance of public speaking. You'll find a link to the video in the description below. Now we go on with 9 useful tips that will improve your public speaking skills. Number 1. Practice. There's a good reason that we say practice makes perfect. You simply cannot be a confident, compelling speaker without practice. To get practice, seek opportunities to speak in front of others. You can also put yourself in situations that require public speaking, such as by cross-training a group from another department, or by volunteering to speak at team meetings. If you're going to be delivering a presentation or a prepared speech, create it as early as possible. The earlier you put it together, the more time you'll have to practice. Practice it plenty of times alone, using the resources you'll rely on at the event. And as you practice, tweak your words until they flow smoothly and easily. Then, if appropriate, do a dummy run in front of a small audience. This will help you calm your jitters and make you feel more comfortable with the material. Your audience can also give you useful feedback on both your material and your performance. Number 2. Don't talk right away. You should never talk as you walk out on stage. A lot of people start talking right away, but this communicates a little bit of insecurity and fear. Instead, quietly walk out on stage. Then take a deep breath, find your place, wait a few seconds, and begin. I know it sounds long and tedious, and it feels excruciatingly awkward when you do it, but it shows the audience you're totally confident and in charge of the situation. Number 3. Speak slowly. When you get nervous, it's not just your heartbeat that quickens. Your words also tend to speed up. If you just go quiet for a moment and take a long, deep breath, they'll wait for you. It's kind of amazing. It may feel like an eternity, but it will seem like a normal amount of time to the people in the room. Remember to speak clearly and enunciate your words. You should have a slight pause after commas in between sentences, and an even bigger pause between paragraphs or major points in your argument. It's impossible to speak too slowly on stage. Number 4. Eye contact. Scanning and panning is your worst enemy. While it looks like you're looking at everyone, it actually disconnects you from your audience. So make eye contact with audience members one by one. It's much easier and effective if you directly look at specific audience members throughout your speech. If you can, give each person that you intently look at an entire sentence or thought without breaking your gaze. When you finish a sentence, move on to another person and keep connecting with individual people until you're done speaking. It's like you're having a conversation with your audience. You're not speaking at them, but instead you're speaking with them. This tactic not only creates a deeper connection with individuals, but also the entire audience as a whole. Number 5. Pay attention to body language. If you're unaware of it, your body language will give your audience constant, subtle clues about your inner state. If you're nervous or if you don't believe in what you're saying, the audience will soon know just by reading your body language. Pay attention to your body language. Stand up straight, take deep breaths, look people in the eye and smile. Don't lean on one leg or use gestures that feel unnatural. Many people prefer to speak behind a podium when giving presentations. While podiums can be useful for holding notes, they put a barrier between you and the audience. They can also become a crutch, giving you a hiding place from the dozens or hundreds of eyes that are on you. Instead of standing behind a podium, walk around and use gestures to engage the audience. This movement and energy will also come through in your voice, making it more active and passionate to keep the audience's attention moving. Movement arouses the central nervous system. Our eyes follow movement. When you move on stage, the audience can't help but watch. Number 6. Think positively. Positive thinking can make a huge difference in the success of your communication because it helps you feel more confident. You can find a link in the description below to a video regarding the power of positive thinking. Fear makes it all too easy to slip into a cycle of negative self-talk, especially right before you speak. Self-sabotaging thoughts such as, "I'll never be good at this," or "I'm going to fall flat on my face," lower your confidence and increase the chances that you won't achieve what you're truly capable of. Use affirmations and visualization to raise your confidence. This is especially important right before your speech or presentation. Visualize giving a successful presentation and imagine how you'll feel once it's over and when you've made a positive difference for others. Use positive affirmations such as, "I'm grateful I have the opportunity to help my audience and I'm going to do well." Number 7. Show up to give, not to take. Often people give presentations to sell products or ideas, to get people to follow them on social media, buy their books, or even just to like them. These kinds of speakers are takers, and the audiences can see through these people right away, and when they do, they disengage. We are highly social animals, and even at a distance on stage, we can tell if you're a giver or a taker. People are more likely to trust a giver, a speaker that adds value to their lives, teaches them something new, or inspires them. Number 8. Ignore the naysayers. Dismiss the people furrowing their brows, crossing their arms, or shaking their heads no. Instead, focus only on your supporters, the people who are visibly engaged, enjoying your presentation, and nodding yes. If you find the audience members who are positively interacting with you, you'll be much more confident and relaxed than if you try to convince the naysayers. Number 9. Turn nervousness into excitement. All people feel some physiological reactions like pounding hearts and trembling hands. Do not associate these feelings with the sense that you will perform poorly or make a fool of yourself. Some nerves are good. The adrenaline rush that makes you sweat also makes you more alert and ready to give your best performance. When you're up on stage, you will likely go through the same thing. That's when you should say to yourself out loud, "I'm not nervous, I'm excited." When you do, it really has a miraculous impact on helping you change your attitude to what you're about to do. Final thoughts. Good communication is never perfect, and nobody expects you to be perfect. However, putting in the requisite time to prepare will help you deliver a better speech. You may not be able to shake your nerves entirely, but you can learn to minimize them. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Please click the thumbs up and write your personal tips in the comments below. Thank you for your support, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want to hear more from us. See you in the next video.